हाय गाइस, इट इज़ दी 84th डे। फाइनली आज का दिन 2nd ऑफ जून है। सीधा बात करते हैं, आज काम किया कि नहीं किया। नहीं किया, आज नहीं किया। सही में आज सुबह 9:30 को मैं नींद से उठा, क्योंकि कल रात को जल्दी सो गया था। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं था, फ़ोन नहीं था, कुछ करने को नहीं था, बेड पे एवे लेटा था, बस सो गए ऐसे ही। ठीक है, तो जल्दी जल्दी उठ गया था। आज 9:30 को नींद से उठने के बाद पूरा दिन एडिट किया। एडिट इन द सेंस, एक काम है, एक प्रोजेक्ट पेंडिंग पड़ा हो बहुत दिनों से, बहुत दिन एक था ही। और क्योंकि क्लाइंट थोड़ा मतलब सॉफ्ट टाइप का है, उन्होंने बस एक बार बोला था मुझे कि भाई कर दे। मैं कहा ठीक है, कर रहा हूँ। तो इसी तरीके से ये काम भाई बहुत डिले चला गया। अभी मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, ये मुझे देना ही है। और एग्ज़ाम्स आ रहे हैं, पढ़ाई भी करनी है। तो इसीलिए आज सुबह पूरा दिन नहीं, 2 घंटा या फिर 1.5 घंटे तक मैंने एडिट किया। उसके बाद कुछ नहीं किया, बस पूरा दिन मतलब ऐवे ही था, पड़ा हुआ था। मैं पड़ा हुआ इन द सेंस, इधर फ़ोन देख रहा था या तो बाहर था। उसके बाद खाना खाने का टाइम, खाना इन द सेंस फालतू की चीज़ें, जंक फूड खाते खाते आज पूरा दिन चला गया। जो रूटीन है अभी बहुत बिगड़ा हुआ है। तुम लोग को भी लग रहा है कि ये क्या कर रहा है अपनी लाइफ के साथ भाई, लेकिन ट्रस्ट मी, गिव मी सम टाइम इन द सेंस जस्ट फ्यू डेज। उसके बाद आई जस्ट होप एवरीथिंग विल गेट बेटर, एवरीथिंग विल बी फिक्स्ड, एंड स्पेशली आई विल ट्राई टू फिक्स माई सेल्फ any way possible. But right now I'm clearly not in the position or in the situation to work on myself, forcefully work on myself, because I've seen it a lot, to be honest. When I force things, it just doesn't happen, or it just make things really really worse. So I am waiting for the natural flow. If I want to work, then I will definitely work. It should happen naturally, okay? I just don't want to force myself, at least for the next few days, because there's still an experiment going on. I just want to see even if I'm capable of doing the thing that I am doing right now, or I should just think of something else. Okay, so this is how life is going right now. I'm not working properly. I'm just doing the client projects and not actually working on myself so that I can be in the future that I have dreamt of. Okay, the condition of my future, if you say, is kind of really really bad right now, but as of now mentally I am kind of okay. Like it's in peace. Okay, so this thing is not fucked up for now. For the last few days it's going really well. I'm enjoying with my friends, though that period is over. There will be no friends in the future. The university days are gone, so I do not have friends of mine, in my local area, that close friends. And the university friends, they were something like, this wala friend, okay? So obviously the fun period is over, but still I'm here. It's okay. As of now, I am 100% sure I will not be going to university. I will not be going out of my room, so it'll get fucked up again. I know I have started seeing symptoms today, but I just don't want to talk about it as of now. But let's see what happens tomorrow. I'll probably not be working tomorrow as well. I will not be working for the next few days, probably. If I want to work, then I will work. The forceful thing is coming soon, and I will force myself to work, or to be in a routine, or to be in a discipline. Just few days. For just few days, the things are not really going well here, or overall situation of my house. So thank you. It's the 84th day, and enjoy. I just want to say enjoy. Now that I'm enjoying for the last few days, it kind of feels like I've wasted the last few years of my life trying to think about my future over and over again. That helped me, made me a bit like serious, a bit mature, but I would still say I just wish I would have enjoyed the last few years just like I enjoyed the last few days with my friends. Like I could have, I just did not. It was my kind of choice. I was so worried about my future that I just, stopped enjoying. And I kind of regretting it right now, because these few days, it was just amazing. And I am realizing now the moments and the days I have missed. It was an opportunity and I have missed it. So if you are still young in school or in college, future, okay, fine. If you're genuinely working, that's very fine. I would not say that you should not work or should not be worried about your future. But if you're just worried and doing nothing, then please take my advice, enjoy. Okay? If you are just worrying, sochna, but actually physically doing nothing to build your future, then just stop worrying to just enjoy. Enjoy and you will remember your life. Trust me. These few days, like 7 to 14 days, I have been continuously visiting university and interacting with my friends. These 14 to 15 days are one of the best periods of my life. I can proudly say that. So please enjoy, or else when you actually start enjoying life, you'd get to know that you have wasted a big period of your life. So just don't do that, I would say. And if you're working, that's very fine. Work. First work. But if you're not working, just thinking. Stop even thinking and start enjoying. Okay? Thank you.